brief video on gold price prediction, and we've got a daily chart of gold for you up here from COMEX. This is the futures contract, symbols GC. We have a 5-day moving average in green, a 20-day moving average in red, and a 200-day moving average in blue. This price chart does not show it, but we're having some movement that was within yesterday's movement. We have a high today of 1736, a low today of 1708, and it looks like gold has sold off a little bit today, which is to be expected. When you have a rally coming up from a bear market like this, it's this severe, you can expect to get your sell-offs, and we're getting gold selling off today around $12 from yesterday's close as we speak. The bottom line is gold is still in a bear market. It's had almost actually more than $100 rally from where it bottomed out here back in September 28th. So we're up way more than $100. So it's to be expected that we'd have some sell-off here. And again, not a lot of support here. It's just straight short covering, and they just drove it up. So I expect gold to drop back down to about the 1680 level, and then see if we catch some support. Maybe it'll catch support in the 1690s, but my guess is it'll probably go down to 1680s before catching some real support. What we need to do to get gold back up is to firmly get it this 5-day moving average has got to get above this 20. The price has got to stay above the 5 and the 20-day moving average and push it up here to, I hate to be so aggressive with it, but the 1775 level at least, just to have some kind of shot at pushing gold eventually out of its bear market. But it is still in a bear market. We're getting a rally, short covering rally, and that's what we're seeing with some profit taking. Today we're getting a sell-off again as low as 1708 today on gold. Let's go down here and take a look at algorithmically generated gold prices. We put these out every morning before 7 a.m. These are for today. We have 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20-day hold periods, and for today these are active starting at the 2-day hold period. The market has not traded this high. The high for today is 1736. So these have not been hit, but the 2-day and the 1-day have been hit, and they both would have been profitable if you with your own analysis had decided to get in close to these prices. You could have already made money and got out today in the multi-dollar amounts on here, and about $4 or $5 here. You could have probably gotten out and made about $18 on the 2-day hold. So again, all for entertainment purposes only. You have to use your own analysis, but these two columns that it did hit have already showed profit today. The way these work is you get in, assuming your own analysis says it's a good idea, get out as soon as you get a profit, if you do, or if you don't, you get out at the end of the holding period. So the end of 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20-day holding periods, you will get out at a loss or take your profits soon if you got them. And again, the 1-day and the 2-day are showing some profits here for entertainment purposes only. You can get access to all of these at rbrandresearch.com. There's a link in the description below. We put them all out by 7 a.m. for 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC, crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts, including gold, as I just showed you. We put out buys for the stocks and buys or shorts for everything else. Again, no credit card required, absolutely no cost. Just follow the link over to RBM Research. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. If you have any great comments, please leave in the comment section below. Keep in mind, everything you've seen or heard on here, including our entry prices, are for entertainment purposes only. You can only use them for entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk.